Carried me through the fire, you held my hand in the storm. When I was weak and weary, your love kept me strong. Emmanuel, Emmanuel, I have come to say, Emmanuel, Emmanuel, I have come to say, from the rising of the morning to the setting of the sun, all my days I will be singing of the wonders you have done. Emmanuel, Emmanuel.
And we are going back with the memories that Sokoto is a land of hospitality. And we're happy. We're also happy to see our brother, our son, Nnamdi, who has also become your son today by reason of circumstances that happened. And we're happy that you are taking good care of him. And our prayers is that God Almighty will continue to bless Sokoto State and the Federal Republic of Nigeria for the good brotherhood and the love that we all have for each other. Thank you very much once again, and may God continue to bless us all.
I have come to say, Emmanuel, Emmanuel, I have come to say, from the rising of the morning to the setting of the sun, all my days I will be singing of the wonders you have done. Emmanuel, Emmanuel.